It is not thought that should be taught, but thought. The more habits, the less freedom. A wise man may change his mind, a fool never does. Have the courage to use your own mind. He who has renounced excess has been spared hardship. Character is the ability to act according to principles. Don't treat others as a means to your ends. The good upbringing is just that out of which all the good in the world arises. Freedom to wave your arms ends at the tip of the other person's nose. Death is least feared by those people whose lives have the greatest value. Cheerful facial expression is gradually reflected in the inner world as well. To make wise choices, one must first know what one can do without. A woman does not like to give herself away and therefore does not get drunk. She is weak and therefore cunning. When justice disappears, there is nothing left to give value to people's lives. Cunning is the way of thinking of very limited people and is very different from the mind which outwardly resembles it. The ability to ask reasonable questions is already an important and necessary sign of intelligence and discernment. People would run away from each other if they always saw each other quite openly.